Good afternoon and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. You join me this afternoon walking across the car park of Beamish Open Air Museum here in Durham, and we're here for a special occasion. It is their autumn transport gala. Now, that's right, it's autumn, and it's also reportedly the hottest day of 2023 for the UK. So that tells you how bad our summer has been in the UK. For the hottest day to actually be in autumn. Anywho, let's get on and do this. So I've headed into the museum and I've turned right and started walking down the hill. And I'm going to head to the 1820s area where they have some steam trains running. I think it's the Puffin Billy. So that is some of the things that we're here to see. The vintage cars, traction engines, steam trains, all that sort of good stuff.
Probably just a good thing, yeah.
It's got a portable horn.
You got into the dinosaur groove though, didn't you?
Dear, cheese. Thought you didn't like cheese.
Frame like that.
You thought I didn't like cheese? Why do you think I didn't like cheese?
Very nice.
It's a little light, isn't it?
Sorry? Would you like a piece of quiche?
And here we have the steam locomotive Puffin Billy. Now Puffin Billy is giving short rides. They're all included in your ticket price. Along a short section of track and then back again. So that was Puffin Billy. It's now time to head down to the colliery and have a look at all the traction engines. So I'm taking you through my shortcut way to the colliery. Which basically takes you along this short woodland path and into the back of the colliery. And during Halloween and Easter, Christmas, this path gets all decorated.
Yeah, and maybe I'll thick the plate as well.
So you must have obviously a set line and rack. Steam powered truck. Well, I was thinking about going for some sweeties. No thanks. Look at that line. As you can see, this is the most popular area of Beamish because it sells food and drink. And that's what I came here for. Never mind, I'm going to head back up towards the entrance.
Downstairs, it's all right. Downstairs.
Quick 1950s update.
She'll find it hard as well. She'll find it hard. Is it hard, Tommy? I know. That lot, back,
So there you go, that is our day out at Beamish Autumn Transport Gala complete. If you haven't done so already, please hit that like button, please hit that subscribe button and tell your family and friends and share this channel around. In other words, now it's time to do your job.